At the 65th International Commercial Vehicle Exhibition in Hanover, German automaker Mercedes-Benz unveiled the truck of the future, the Future Truck 2025 concept. This is how the company envisions the long-haul tractor in just a few years. The Future Truck 2025 features not only a futuristic design and streamlined shapes, but also LEDs, rear-view cameras instead of mirrors, and an autopilot system called the Highway Pilot. The combination of radars and cameras allows the vehicle to receive comprehensive information about its surrounding road conditions, while the computer promptly adjusts speed and direction of travel. Essentially, the truck was created to showcase the potential of autonomous driving technologies in the realm of commercial transportation. The truck will be able to drive autonomously to a certain destination, allowing the driver to focus on other tasks during the trip. A small startup called Thor intends to challenge the Californian giant Tesla by introducing an electric truck. The company has created a slightly less futuristic concept named the ET1. It is an electric long-haul tractor with a range of 480 kilometers and the ability to transport trailers weighing up to 36 tons. The maximum speed with a full load is claimed to be 112 kilometers per hour. More specifically, the range mentioned above applies to the higher-priced configuration, which costs $250,000. For $150,000, Thor Trucks offers a version with a range of only 160 kilometers, while maintaining the same payload capacity. For comparison, the base model of the Tesla Semi, with a range of 480 kilometers, is priced at $150,000. The long-range version with an 800 kilometers range costs $180,000, and the most advanced premium version with maximum features comes with a price tag of $200,000. Mitsubishi Fuso Truck and Bus Corporation, a part of Daimler Trucks, has unveiled the heavy-duty e-Fuso Vision 1 commercial vehicle with a fully electric powertrain. The vehicle has a total weight of 23 tons and can transport payloads of up to 11 tons, which is only 2 tons less compared to diesel-powered counterparts. The electric truck can be equipped with a battery pack with a capacity of up to 300 kilowatt-hours, providing a range of up to 350 kilometers on a single charge. In its current form, the e-Fuso Vision 1 is not suitable for long-haul transportation, but it can be operated in urban conditions. It is expected that electric trucks based on the showcase vehicle may appear in developed markets like Europe and Japan in the near future. The truck's design features streamlined forms. Side mirrors are absent. Their function will be performed by cameras, and the rear wheels are covered with shields. The manufacturer has provided limited information about the technical capabilities of the vehicle. The Iron Knight from Volvo Trucks is a truck that, under the control of driver Boy Ovbrink, set official speed records over distances of 500 and 1,000 meters. The Volvo Trucks team of experts working on the truck employed a range of innovative methods that combine technology and design. The Iron Knight completed the 1,000-meter distance in 21.29 seconds, with an average speed of 169 kilometers per hour, thereby setting a new world record. He also broke the 500-meter record in 13.71 seconds, at an average speed of 131.29 kilometers per hour. The race took place on a closed test track in northern Sweden, with the participation of observers from the International Automobile Federation. The Iron Knight from Volvo Trucks can be described in one word: perfection. It combines beauty, incredible power, and maximum speed. The unparalleled power of this truck is the result of close collaboration among specialists from various divisions of Volvo Trucks. Apart from its mechanical heart, the powertrain from Volvo Trucks, the truck is completely built to unique specifications. Recently, the topic of electric transportation has been attracting more attention, especially when it comes to various startups. One such startup has emerged in Sweden with the aim of building an environmentally friendly truck of the future under the promising name Voltis Zero. The presented vehicle is exclusively designed for urban use, with a total weight of 16 tons and a payload capacity of 8.6 tons. Perhaps that's why its creators did not promise unprecedented performance, and honestly declared a cruising range of 150 to 200 kilometers. Considering that it draws energy from lithium iron phosphate batteries with a capacity of 160 to 200 kilowatt-hours, it seems like an achievable result. The maximum speed of the vehicle is limited to 90 kilometers per hour. The Voltis Zero will be the first road vehicle to use natural linen material and sustainable biodegradable resin for exterior body panels. At the same time, the dark panels of the cabin and many interior trim elements are made of natural material. Ford has presented a concept electric truck of the future called F-Vision. The vehicle was shown at the International Commercial Vehicle Show in Hanover. This is Ford's first concept truck, as the company has not been traditionally associated with such vehicles. Surprisingly, the concept was developed in Turkey, where Ford Otosan, the largest commercial vehicle production base for Ford worldwide, is located. Vision is an electric truck with an autopilot of the 4th class. Technical details have not been disclosed, including power output or range. Instead, the manufacturer has focused on the design of the concept vehicle. According to Ford representatives, the main source of inspiration for the Vision's exterior design came from superheroes in the Marvel universe and their ability to adapt and change in accordance with the environment. Interestingly, the designers decided not to place Ford's trademark oval on the front of the vehicle, instead using a stylized emblem that resembles the design seen on Ford's production pickup trucks. The H2 racing truck is a fully ecological and hydrogen-powered truck that can boast of being the first vehicle of its kind to successfully complete the Dakar Rally. This truck was initially expected to have a range of about 250 kilometers, but it exceeded all expectations by showcasing an incredible range of 400 kilometers. Additionally, during the rally, it achieved a speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The truck can run not only on hydrogen system, it also has the capability to operate with an electric system, where battery replacement takes approximately 3 minutes and provides a range of up to 400 kilometers. The hydrogen system has an autonomy of 800 kilometers in normal conditions, and the charging time reaches 20 minutes. German company MAN unveiled a range of electric commercial vehicles at the IAA Commercial Vehicles exhibition, including the MAN-Sight Concept Urban Electric Truck. The electric 15-ton MAN-Sight truck is primarily designed for urban conditions and last-mile delivery. The new model was developed in just 18 months, although it usually takes MAN up to 5 years to create a new truck. Special attention was given not only to the ergonomics of the workspace, but also to convenient access to it. As MAN states that drivers of such vehicles leave the cab and return back up to 30 times a day. That is why the cabin is distinguished by panoramic glass and a set of cameras for a full view. The floor and the driver's seat were set lower, and the door was made wider to make it easier for the driver to get to the workplace. Once inside the cabin, the driver finds themselves in a space that resembles a compact apartment, allowing for various useful activities. Driver comfort is further enhanced by the presence of a cooled compartment for food and drinks, storage areas for personal belongings, and other amenities necessary for extended periods in city traffic congestion. Hyundai, like many automotive companies, is working on the creation of transport of the future. However, they envision it as hydrogen-powered vehicles. An example of this is the HDC6 Neptune concept truck, which was unveiled at an exhibition in Atlanta. The HDC6 Neptune is an aerodynamically designed, powerful semi-trailer belonging to the Class 8 category, running on hydrogen fuel. The fuel used makes it an environmentally friendly vehicle that does not harm the environment. Moreover, it not only matches the technical performance of conventional and electric vehicles, but surpasses them. Developers from South Korea did not say much about the dynamic characteristics of this unique, futuristic design truck at the North American exhibition. However, it is clear that the fuel cells used to power the HDC6 Neptune semi-trailer are perfectly suited for heavy-duty vehicles. The range without recharging is substantial, and the payload capacity is impressive. It is also known that refueling time will be minimal. All these factors contribute to cost reduction. The Iveco Z truck can rightly be called a revolutionary truck. The vehicle features 29 patented solutions. It operates on biomethane and can travel up to 2,200 kilometers without refueling. In addition, the tractor unit has improved aerodynamics and a transformable cabin. This advanced semi-truck allows for a 33% reduction in fuel consumption and significant reduction in carbon emissions. The Iveco Z truck is equipped with a next-generation engine that also runs on biomethane, delivering a power of 460 horsepower. Automated driving will fundamentally change the role of the driver, who will spend less time behind the wheel and more time engaged in office work and leisure. The truck allows for customizable cabin transformation, making the experience inside the truck as comfortable as possible, whether in urban traffic on highways or in autonomous driving mode on motorways. Write in the comments which of these trucks you like the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you later.